Okay, now we have to do numbering. We go to setup and go to numbering and just leave everything default, but only check renumber all. New is take new number, take out the part name is because if you want to have a part name, then I mean compare the part name in the model, then you have that check. So I will put beam orientation on, column orientation on, hole is on, apply, okay, tool, numbering, and put full. There we go. You just done your first numbering, and that's it. Okay. Oh yeah, one short thing. If you want to take a look at the assembly drawing, let's go to open drawing list, and you will have a drawing list here. Let me shrink this down so you can see. Yep. Okay. Let's move to the side. Let's say we want to load up like we go to property, assembly drawing. Here we go, and it should give you another assembly drawing property here. Okay, so now we want to select column with bill of material, load up the standard, only highlight the column. Okay, and okay, now we go to drawing, assembly drawing, and the XDO should create your assembly drawing. Hang on, I'll just wait until it create. Here we go. It create your full column, C101, C102, C103, C104, right? Beam. Scan. Go to drawing, assembly drawing. Oop, I did that wrong. But anyway, it will create your beam, but it will have a column name, right? So we want to change that, okay? So let's say you made that mistake. So we highlight all the B, 101, hold shift, go down, right click on your drawing list, property, and then you should have this. And then we go to the tab, and let's go look for beam with bill of material loaded up, and just modify it. And it should modify your beam member here. Hang on, it's taking some time. Beam member, here we go. Let's load up the drawing. Let's load up your drawing from the drawing list here. Load up, you click twice to open it. Let's take a look what it looks like. Here we go. It looks something like this. Here's your build material, your tire block. Here's your beam with a hole, the overall dimension. Looks not bad. Looks pretty good. But to be honest, the title block looks like crap here. But you can get the title block from my website. I'm just beginning to set up my website, so you can download the proper title block and the proper sheet and the proper way how to dimension a column, and it's basically everything will be completed for you once you come to the website and just have to get the title block and you just put in your sheet here. But the title block that comes with Tekla is kind of look ugly. So here go one column C101. But if you don't want that line to divide up in your model here, okay, let's close it down. Let's close down your drawing list. You go to tool, option. Hang on, it's loading up, and go to numbering, and here we go. Position number separator. Change that to blank. Apply. Okay. If you just hang on, apply. Okay, and make sure you go to setup and save your default. You basically saved your default, so XCO remember what to what default you save. It's basically a good thing to save is because you want Excel to remember where all your menu and your typical tool option, like anything you change in the option, it will be saved. It's just a rule of thumb that you have to remember. Remember, setup, save default. Okay, now if you load up the drawing list, if you can't find your drawing list, go to drawing list. Load up column this time. Let's take a look at the column. Here we go, column. Let's take a look at it. Here we go, one column C101. See it? You see how we don't have that line going through? It's because we took it off, right? So, okay, let's load up beam. Here you go, beam 101, right? Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. I hope in the next one I will show you how to fix up the title block and many other things. Okay, I will see you in the next lesson there.